Attention all embroidery lovers, this is the moment you've been waiting for. The future of creating custom embroidery designs is just around the corner. I'm proud to announce March 14th is the official launch date of Embroidery Legacy's groundbreaking new software. Our most powerful, intuitive, and game-changing digitizing software yet. After months of refining our software with the help of 1,000 early access users, this program is truly designed by embroiderers for embroiderers to bring you next-generation tools, time-saving features, and creative freedom like never before. And here's the best part. When we launch on March 14th, you'll get access to exclusive limited-time bonuses and a special launch discount, but only if you're on the waitlist. Don't get left behind. Sign up for the waitlist today and be among the first to experience the next evolution in embroidery digitizing. So let's make embroidery history together. Sign up now at digitizingmadeeasy.com. March 14th will be here before you know it.